आत्मवंदन सभी को आज के ध्यान में एकीकृत के पाठ्यक्रम में। और आप सब ने बहुत अपना पिछले 3-4 सप्ताह में अपने स्वयं के अंदर वो जो बदलाव लाया है, जो बाबा जी के अनुसार अपनी जिंदगी को आपने समर्पित किया बाबा जी को, और बाबा जी की गाइडेंस के अकॉर्डिंग जो बाबा जी ने कहा है कि 6 मंथ्स की जो कमिटमेंट आप खुद को देते हो ना, एक कमिटमेंट होती है कि मैं अपने काम को, अपनी अन्य चीजों को देती हूँ, है ना। एक है आपने ईश्वर को कमिटमेंट दी है। जब आप ईश्वर को कमिटमेंट देते हो, तो वो ईश्वर किस प्रकार आपके जिंदगी में बदलाव लाता है, वो एकीकृत पाठ्यक्रम जो भी कर रहे हैं और जिन्होंने पहले भी किया है, उनको अपनी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल जिंदगी दोनों में ही बदलाव ऐसे हुए हैं कि जहाँ पे वो खुद हैरान हो गए कि ये चीज हमारे साथ पहले क्यों नहीं हुई। जब तक आप स्वयं की दिव्यता के साथ में नहीं टूटते हैं, स्वयं के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं करते हैं, आपकी नाव डगमगाती रहती है। पर जब हम बाबा जी के ऊपर और अपने गुरुओं के ऊपर छोड़ते हैं कि आप मार्गदर्शन करो, तो जहाँ पे गुरु खड़ा हो गया, वो सब बंधन, चाहे दुनियावी हो, चाहे आपके भ्रम हो, काट देगा। तो अब ध्यान की मुद्रा में बैठ जाइए, दोनों पैरों को क्रॉस करते हुए, हाथों की उंगलियों को हाथों की उंगलियों में जोड़ते हुए प्यार से आंखें बंद कर लीजिए। Please sit in a comfortable meditative posture. Cross your legs, clasp your fingers into fingers, and gently close your eyes. As you are closing your eyes, it is you're shutting yourself down from the things around you, and you turn on your inner laptop. जैसे ही आंखें बंद की हैं आपने, सुखदाई आसन लगाया, पैरों को क्रॉस करते हुए, हाथों की उंगलियों को हाथों की उंगलियों में जोड़ते हुए, प्यार से आंखें जब आपने बंद की और ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में आप जब लीन हुए हैं, तो जैसे ही आप ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में लीन हुए हैं, वो उसी प्रकार है कि जैसे एक कंप्यूटर होता है ना, जब वो उसको ऑन करते हैं, टर्न ऑन करते हैं, वो उसके अंदर मुझे वही चीजें नजर आती हैं जो मैंने उसमें या तो डाउनलोड कर रखी हैं, या जो चीजें हम देख रहे हैं निरंतर वो ही दिखाता है। तो आज आप सभी ने अपने मन के अंदर के लैपटॉप को खोलना है। टुडे वी ऑल विल ओपन आवर हार्ट लैपटॉप। It might be sound weird, but some of us think that these things happen to others, not to me. How come? But when you open your own laptop, when you check, is there any virus, or whatever you are checking, is in alignment with God's quality, or it is just you are entertaining yourself. The downloads, the programs you have in this laptop, what kind of things you have. See this laptop as your brain, how many downloads you have from this life. स्वयं को एक लैपटॉप की तरह देखिए। जब आप लैपटॉप की तरह देखेंगे, तो जो भी आपने इसमें डाउनलोड किया होगा आपके सामने वही चीजें आएंगी। तो अब आपने अपने इस लैपटॉप में देखना है कि कहाँ वायरस है, ये अप टू डेट है, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमने लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी की चीजें रखी हुई हैं और जो बीच में डाउनलोड किया हुआ है वो एडवांस ही नहीं है अपना। Is your own personal laptop is up to date? You're using 5G. And if I am in the alignment with 5G, everything is okay. But using 5G and holding the version of 1G, does it work? So today we have to unify with all these things. I don't know why Babaji is saying this because if I'm not releasing things, you're not going with the God quality. God loves everyone unconditionally. God won't hate a single person. See, technology doesn't differentiate. Our mobiles never differentiate. We use it to connect with other people. Electricity, or if even if you are cooking food, whatever you are using, it is not like it is just working for you. It is working for everyone in the same way. Some are using it in the means to cook food, for example. Some are using fossil fuels, some are using woods, some use coal, some use electricity. Whatever the things are available there next to them, they're using that. So we can't say that that thing doesn't unify with me. Is it my own mindset, or I am still in influence where I am separating myself and thinking, oh, I don't have these facilities in my life. Come out of your comfort zone. We're so in our comfortable zone. And God say, when you are in alignment with God's quality, you will experience सर्वभौमिक सत्य बोलना सीखेंगे आप. You will understand universal. You will start speaking universal truth, which is beyond this physical form. So today, first we will connect with God's quality. Then we'll go for the universal um, uh, thing, and then we will go for aura cleansing. आप सभी ईश्वर के तत्व में बने हुए हैं, तो ईश्वर के साथ में जुड़ना है. और कहाँ है ये ईश्वर? आपके अंदर. आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हो. तो वो खोज बाहर नहीं करनी है. अपने हृदय केंद्र का ध्यान कीजिए. Bring your whole attention and awareness towards the middle of your chest. महाअवतार बाबा जी को बुलाइए, निमंत्रित कीजिए अपने हार्ट सेंटर में, और अपने सभी गुरुओं को बुलाइए ऊर्जा रूप में. और अपने सभी गुरुओं को एक दिव्य प्रकाश के रूप में ही देखना है। लेट्स इनवाइट महाअवतार बाबा जी, all our gurus in the form of a light. You saw Babaji's light form in the beginning of today's session before joining this session. आप सबने बाबा जी का वो स्वरूप आज के सेशन की शुरुआत में देखा है। जब हम ऊर्जा से जुड़ते हैं तो हम भेद नहीं करते, पर जब हम शरीरों से जुड़ते हैं, शक्लों से जुड़ते हैं तो भिन्नता लगती है। तो सभी गुरु, सभी देवी देवता, सभी पैगंबर, हर एक जो है वो ईश्वर के तत्व में है। अगर आप स्वयं के भीतर ईश्वर को खोजना चाहते हैं तो सर्वप्रथम ईश्वर के प्रकाश के साथ में एकीकृत हो, सत्य बोलना शुरू करें, स्वयं के लिए भी दूसरों के लिए। अब ईश्वरीय गुणों के साथ में जुड़ते हुए, ईश्वरीय छवि के साथ में जुड़ते हुए, ईश्वर के सभी गुण आपके गुण हैं। आप उस आनंद से वंचित नहीं हैं, आप उस प्रकाश से वंचित नहीं हैं जिसे आपको ईश्वर में तो दिखाई देता है, स्वयं में नहीं दिखाई देता। आप परिपूर्ण है, ईश्वर परिपूर्ण है। आप परिपूर्ण है, ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए। ईश्वर के सभी गुण आपके गुण हैं। जो भी आप कार्य करते हो, जितने आनंद से करते हो, जितने प्रेम से करते हो, अपने ईश्वर तत्व से जुड़े हुए होते हो, वो आनंद इसीलिए ही प्राप्त हो रहा है क्योंकि ईश्वर की छवि है आप में। ईश्वर की छवि आपके व्यक्तित्व को और निखारती है, क्योंकि हम जब ईश्वर की छवि के साथ में जुड़े होते हैं तो हमें देने का भाव होता है, लेने का नहीं। ईश्वर संपूर्ण जगत को, संपूर्ण सृष्टि को प्रेम और प्रकाश देते हैं। ईश्वर ने इस सारी सृष्टि की रचना की है। सृष्टि में हर एक चीज हमें दी है ताकि हम उसकी छवि को महसूस कर सके। जो अन्न खाएं उसमें ईश्वर की छवि है। पहले वो बीज कैसे एक छोटे से बीज से पौधा बना, फिर उससे विशाल ट्री बना, और ट्री बनने के बाद उसमें से फल लगे, और फिर हमने वो फल खाया, और फिर हमने उस ट्री की ने सिर्फ यही नहीं किया, ऑक्सीजन के लिए भी, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए भी बैलेंस बनाने के लिए इसने, ट्री ने बहुत बड़ा अपना योगदान दिया। फिर बाद में फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बनकर भी उसने हमारा कितना हमको यूज करने के लिए चीजें दी। फिर उसका ट्री को की ब्रांचेस से हमने कितनी कितनी चीजें बनाई, अपने घर पर घर की चीजें बनाई, सब कुछ किया सिर्फ एक बीज से। तो ईश्वर ने हम सबको इतनी सारी चीजें एक छोटी सी चीज से उत्पन्न करके दी हैं, आपके आनंद के लिए। आपके भोजन जो आप पहनते हैं वो ईश्वर ने आपको आपके पैदा होने से पहले ही उसकी तैयारी करके रखी थी। जो आप वस्त्र पहनते हैं शरीर पर, वो भी ईश्वर ने आपके लिए पहले से ही सारी सृष्टि में चीजें वैसी तैयार की जो आप जूते भी पहनते हैं। जब हम छोटी छोटी चीजों में ईश्वर के तत्व को देखते हैं तो लगता है कि ईश्वर हमें सारी चीजें नहीं देते। आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं। ईश्वर के सभी गुण आपके गुण हैं। जो भी हमारे श्वास चल रहे हैं, प्रत्येक श्वास में ईश्वर है। ये हवा दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, तो मेरे शरीर में प्रवेश कर रही है। और जैसे हम इस हवा को शरीर में महसूस करते हैं, हलचल पता लगती है। आंखें बंद करें, अब आप श्वासों पर 2 सेकंड के लिए ध्यान करें। जब आप श्वास ले रहे हैं और छोड़ रहे हैं, कैसे आपके शरीर की गतिविधि बदलती है। और प्रत्येक श्वास के साथ में ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में आप एक हो रहे हो। धन्यवाद कीजिए इस क्षण के लिए और अपने रोम रोम में स्वयं अब ईश्वर के सभी गुणों को दोहराएं। Let's connect with God's qualities. And on your own, do this practice when you're inhaling and exhaling. And everything we are doing is in this present moment. आप इस क्षण में ईश्वर के साथ जुड़े हैं। ये क्षण आप ईश्वर के बारे में ध्यान कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी ऊर्जा में सिर्फ ईश्वर ही होंगे। और जैसे ही हम ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में जुड़ते हैं, गहरी शांति ये शांति इस प्रकार की है जैसे आप वर्षों से इस शांति को ढूंढ रहे थे और आज आपने वो शांति प्राप्त कर ली है। When you connect with God's quality, with God's image, as you all are made in image of God, and when you are repeating and saying these things because you are made in the image of God, God is perfect, so you are. God is love and light, so you are. God is all knowing intelligence, so you are. All the qualities of God is your qualities. God is omnipresent, so you are. God is joy, bliss, and happiness, so you are. Every single thing when you are connecting with the God, bringing more peace and harmony. This is the biggest signal that you are in alignment with God's energy because you are in a complete surrender. जब आप ईश्वर स्वरूप के साथ में जुड़ते हैं, ईश्वर की छवि के साथ में जुड़ते हैं, आपको पता लगता है कि मुझे ईश्वर की छवि में बनाया गया है, ईश्वर के सभी गुण मेरे गुण हैं। ईश्वर प्रेम और प्रकाश है, मैं प्रेम और प्रकाश हूँ। आपके शरीर के एक अंग में ईश्वर का वास है, चाहे वो आपके पलकों के बाल ही क्यों ना हो। एक छोटे से उदाहरण से हम देखते हैं कि ईश्वर कैसे अपना तत्व, अगर हमारी आंखें कितनी बार दिन में फड़फड़ाती हैं, पर हमें उसका एहसास नहीं होता। पर जब हम ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में होते हैं तो ईश्वर हमें एक एक चीज आपके कमरे में आपकी पड़ी हुई घड़ी की आवाज तक भी सुनाते हैं, क्योंकि अब आपने उस ईश्वर तत्व में रहते हुए अपने आसपास के वातावरण की चीजों के साथ में जुड़ना सीख लिया है, क्योंकि अब आपको पता लग गया आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हो और ये सब आप ही के स्वरूप हैं अलग। ईश्वर के सभी गुण आपके गुण हैं। ईश्वर प्रेम और प्रकाश है, आप भी प्रेम और प्रकाश हैं। आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं। आपका एक एक अंग इस क्षण में ईश्वर के प्रेम और प्रकाश की ऊर्जा के साथ ओत और प्रोत है। आपका दिमाग, आपके विचार ईश्वर के विचारों से प्रभावित है। Your body, mind and soul is in alignment with God's image. And when you are in alignment with God's image, how your heart is pulsating, it is not getting very excited, it is becoming more calm and relaxed. Your breathing pattern is changing, slowing down. Even sometimes you won't experience your breathing. जब ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में जुड़ते हैं तो हमारे श्वास भी धीमे हो जाते हैं कि वो बेचैनी, उत्सुकता वो खत्म हो चुकी है। ईश्वर को जान लिया, स्वयं को जान लिया, तो अब चीजों को देख के घबराहट नहीं होती। शुक्राने के साथ में, ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ में शांति मिलती है। अब आपने अगली वाली जो प्रैक्टिस है, सर्वभौमिक सत्य बोलना, इसे कीजिए, फिर हम ऑरा क्लेंस करेंगे। So let's do the next exercise. Speaking out universal truth. So how I can speak about the universal truth? The universal truth is, have you ever tried to talk to plants? Have you ever tried to talk to air? Have you ever tried to talk to water? The answer might be no. Reason: when I am sitting on my own, my mind is full of the things related to my things which I am doing on daily basis. I'm not going beyond it. And now in your quiet period, make sure no one is around you to disturb you for next 5 minutes, and just observe what kind of thoughts after in alignment with God's image came to your mind. Is there still any barrier? आप 5 मिनट मौन में जाएंगे. सर्वभौमिक सत्य क्या है? क्या आज तक कभी आपने किसी पेड़ पौधे से बात की है, हवा से बात की है, जल तत्व से बात की है? क्योंकि हम उस चीज की बात करते हैं जो मेरे लिए फायदे के लिए होती है या जिसका मेरे साथ कोई संबंध होता है. पर ये इन सब प्रकृति की चीजों को हम इस्तेमाल भी करते हैं, इनकी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं जाता, क्योंकि हम ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में ही नहीं जुड़े हैं. तो अभी 5 मिनट जब मौन में जाना है, किसी परिवार के सदस्य का, किसी का ध्यान नहीं करना है. जो चीजें जैसी होनी चाहिए वो वैसे ही हो रही है. तो आपके ज्यादा सोचने विचारने से वो कम या बढ़ नहीं जाएंगी. तो आपको अब बैठकर ध्यान करना है कि आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हो. ईश्वर तो निरंतर ध्यान में लीन होते हैं. उनको किसी चीज की टेंशन नहीं होती है. और अपनी शरीर की ऊर्जा देखनी है कैसी है. सिवाय अपने ईश्वर तत्व के और किसी चीज के बारे में नहीं सोचना. आइए अब अगला अभ्यास करते हैं। सुरक्षा कवच के साथ संचार। मैं अपने उच्च स्वर को छोड़कर सभी के लिए अपनी आभा को बंद करती हूँ। मैं अपने उच्च स्वर को छोड़कर सभी के लिए अपनी आभा को बंद करती हूँ। मैं अपने उच्च स्वर को छोड़कर सभी के लिए अपनी आभा को बंद करती हूँ। मैं अपनी आभा में आए हुए सभी बिन बुलाए प्रभावों को प्रेम और प्रकाश भेजती हूँ। मैं अपनी आभा में आए हुए सभी बिन बुलाए प्रभावों को प्रेम और प्रकाश भेजती हूँ। आप सभी पूर्ण और स्वस्थ हैं। आप में से प्रत्येक को प्रेम और प्रकाश के रूप में बनाया गया है और आप अभी भी प्रेम और प्रकाश हैं। अब आप में से प्रत्येक को कोई दर्द महसूस नहीं होता है और आप डरते नहीं हैं। आप में से प्रत्येक के पास जाने के लिए एक आदर्श स्थान है और मैं अपने उच्च स्वर से अब आपको वहां ले जाने के लिए आग्रह करती हूँ। आप में से प्रत्येक शांतिपूर्वक चले जाएं। हमने प्यार से शांति से रिक्वेस्ट करनी कि आप चले जाओ। आप अपने ईश्वर तत्व में ही हो। आप ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हो। आप ईश्वर से अलग नहीं हो और हम आपसे शांतिपूर्वक जाने के लिए आग्रह कर रहे हैं और हम अपने बाबा जी को या जो भी आपका उच्च स्वर है आप उनसे आग्रह कर रहे हैं कि वो अपने साथ इन्हें ले जाए। मैं एक बार और रिपीट कर देती हूँ। मैं अपने उच्च स्वर को छोड़कर सभी के लिए अपनी आभा को बंद करती हूँ। मैं अपनी आभा में आए हुए सभी बिन बुलाए प्रभावों को प्रेम और प्रकाश भेजती हूँ। आप सभी पूर्ण और स्वस्थ हैं। आप में से प्रत्येक को प्रेम और प्रकाश के रूप में बनाया गया है और आप अभी भी प्रेम और प्रकाश हैं। अब आप में से प्रत्येक को कोई दर्द महसूस नहीं होता है और आप डरते नहीं हैं। आप में से प्रत्येक के पास जाने के लिए एक आदर्श स्थान है और मैं अपने उच्च स्वर से अब आपको वहां ले जाने के लिए आग्रह करती हूँ। आप में से प्रत्येक शांतिपूर्वक चले जाएं। रिक्वेस्ट करनी है, प्यार से करनी है। I close my aura to all except my higher self. I close my aura to all except my higher self. I close my aura to all except my higher self. To all uninvited influences in my aura, I send love and light. To all uninvited influences in my aura, I send love and light. You are each whole and healed. You are each created as love and light, and you are still love and light. You each feel no pain now, and you are not afraid. You each have a perfect place to go, and I ask my higher self to take you there now. Each of you go in peace. Someone is crying, don't cry because my I can feel your emotion. But when we are doing the session, You need to focus on your own energy, not with someone else energy. You can't connect. आप अपने अंदर भीतर वो ईश्वर को नहीं देख रहे, आप किसी अम, किस प्रकार ईश्वर के साथ वो अपने अंदर देख सक पाएंगे जब तक आप उनके साथ मिलते नहीं है, उनके साथ में कनेक्ट नहीं होते हैं। तो जो भी कोई रो रहा है तो प्लीज रो मत, क्योंकि एनर्जी आप अपनी ऊपर नहीं फोकस कर रहे। I close my aura to all except my higher self. To all uninvited influences in my aura, I send love and light. You are each whole and healed. You are each created as love and light, and you are still love and light. You each feel no pain now, and you are not afraid. You each have a perfect place to go. I ask my higher self to take you there now. Each of you go in peace. मेरे प्रिय उच्च स्वां, कृपया मुझे अपना संकेत दें। मेरे प्रिय उच्च स्वां, कृपया मुझे अपना संकेत दें। मेरे प्रिय उच्च स्वां, कृपया मुझे अपना संकेत दें। My dear higher self, please give me your signal right now. My dear higher self, please give me your signal right now. अगर संकेत मिल गया है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो चलिए अगली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। इफ यू रिसीव द सिग्नल इज गुड, otherwise let's do the next exercise. Let's send love. Do this exercise on your own. अगला जो हम करेंगे प्रैक्टिस, वो हम प्रेम भेजेंगे, खुद से करना है। क्योंकि पता है क्या, जब ग्रुप में करवाते हैं तो आप मेडिटेशन में तो कर लेते हो, बाद में जब खुद बैठते हो आपको याद ही नहीं रहता क्या बोलना है, किसको बोलना है। तो बैठ के खुद से करना है, सब याद करना है आपने जो भी बताया जा रहा है बाबा जी के द्वारा, और खुद से वो प्रैक्टिस करनी है। कल ऑरा क्लोजिंग आप लोगों ने अपनी खुद करनी है, तो सब कुछ याद खुद करो, तभी वो आपके ऊपर वर्क करेगा। तो अभी हम सब ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में पहले तो एकीकृत हों। आप सभी ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं। All of you are made in the image of God. All of you are made in the image of God. God is love, so you are. आप सभी ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं। आप सभी ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं। ईश्वर प्रेम है, आप सभी प्रेम हो। अब इस प्रेम की ऊर्जा को खुद से भेजो जिसको भी भेजना है। अब चलिए ग्रुप कॉन्शियसनेस के साथ में कनेक्ट करते हैं। हम सब ने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है और महाअवतार बाबा जी के हार्ट सेंटर के साथ में हमारा हार्ट सेंटर कनेक्टेड है। We all are holding each other's hand and creating a circle, and inside this circle is our Mahavatar Babaji, all our gurus, astral masters, आपके सभी गुरु, आपके हर एक जन्म के गुरु इस क्षण इस गोलाकार के भीतर खड़े हैं और उनके हृदय का प्रकाश और बाबा जी के हृदय का प्रकाश आपके हृदय के प्रकाश को और भी जगमगाहट के साथ में 100 गुना प्रेम एक शरीर में हम लोगों ने आज तक जो प्रेम आपने देखा है वो एक बिल्कुल छोटे कण की तरह है और अभी आप ईश्वर के प्रेम के साथ में जुड़ रहे हो तो बाबा जी आपको इस प्रेम का 100 गुना भी एहसास कराएं। इन दिस लाइफ टाइम यू आर जस्ट कनेक्टेड विद द particle part of love. Just like a sand particle is very tiny. You just experience that love. And when you connect with Mahavtar Babaji's heart center, all your Guru's heart center, allow them to turn it to 100 times. Your own love reflection 100 times. And with good consciousness, let's see, send love. ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं महाअवतार बाबा जी को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं रॉजर इस पुस्तक के लेखक उन्हें प्रेम भेजती हूँ। ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं अपने सभी गुरुओं को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड में हर एक वस्तु को व्यक्ति को जीव जंतु को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। God is love. I am love. I'm sending love to Mahavatar Babaji. God is love. I am love. I'm sending love to Roger, the author of this book. I am love. I'm sending love to all my gurus, astral master who are always guiding me, supporting me. I am love. I'm sending love to everything existing in the universe, in all other galaxies and planets. I'm love. I'm sending love to unify myself with every single thing around me. मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं प्रेम में एकीकृत होकर स्वयं को आज्ञा देती हूँ कि ये प्रेम जो है मुझे मेरे स्वयं के साथ में एकीकृत कर दे। स्वयं के साथ एकीकृत का मतलब मेरे विचारों में भी प्रेम, मेरी वाणी में भी प्रेम, जो मैं सुनूं उसमें भी कान रस आ रहा है, जो भी कार्य करूं उसमें भी आनंद ही आनंद आ रहा है, ईश्वर का शुक्राना ही हो रहा है। When we unify with God's love, you experience this love which you can't explain with words. You can just feel it. And when you unify each and every part of your body, head to toe, how it become calm and relaxed. And the people around you, the people in your family members, even your friends, colleagues, when anyone connect with your aura and energy, immediately their energy become very peaceful, quiet, and relaxed, full of harmony. Because you're sending love not out of greed, lust, anger, frustration. You're sending love to unify with them. You're not thinking you're superior than others. You're not thinking you're an ego. You're not thinking that I have to take revenge. No, you're just sending pure love, God's love. हम जब ईश्वर के साथ में जुड़कर अपने परिवार के सदस्यों को, मित्रों को, किसी को भी प्रेम भेजते हैं ना, तो आपके बारे में उनकी कोई भी राय मैटर नहीं करती है, क्योंकि ईश्वर की देख रहे हैं, ईश्वर ऊर्जा रूप में देख रहा है, ब्रह्मांड ऊर्जा रूप में देख रहा है, आपने कैसी ऊर्जा भेजी है। आपने तो प्रेम की ही ऊर्जा भेजी है, और जब आपने प्रेम की ऊर्जा भेजी है तो उनके भी हृदयों में परिवर्तन आ रहा है, बाकियों को भी प्रेम महसूस हो रहा है, वो भी बाबा जी की कृपा से एकीकृत हो रहे हैं। तो हर एक क्षण में हम ईश्वर की छवि में बने हुए हैं, इसको कभी नहीं भूलना है। नेवर फॉर अ सेकंड फॉरगेट दैट यू आर मेड इन द इमेज ऑफ गॉड, यू आर नॉट सेपरेट फ्रॉम गॉड, and whatever you are doing, you are bringing more peace and harmony and love to yourself, and the same love people are experiencing, and your body is becoming still. Your body energy is in the same alignment like God's energy, not like in a different alignment. Like sometimes I am sitting here, but my mind wanders. But when I know I'm made in the image of God, I don't have to think about anything. God knows everything, because we are made in image of God, or and God is all knowing intelligent. So you are. जब आप ईश्वर के सत्य के साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, ईश्वर की छवि के साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आपको पता है सर्वभौमिक सत्य है ईश्वर। तो आपको कभी वो लगेगा ही नहीं कि वो ईश्वर आपसे भिन्न है। ईश्वर तो आपके एक एक रोम रोम में है और निरंतर मार्गदर्शन कर रहे हैं। आपके शरीर की अवस्था बदल रही है, आपके विचार बदल रहे हैं, और हर एक क्षण में बस एक धन्यवाद निकलता है कि ईश्वर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं धरती माँ को प्रेम भेजती हूँ, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं प्रकृति माँ को प्रेम भेजती हूँ, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं सभी ग्रहों को प्रेम भेजती हूँ, मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं अपने शरीर के एक एक अंग को, अपनी बुद्धि को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। आई एम लव, आई एम सेंडिंग लव टू मदर अर्थ, आई एम लव, आई एम सेंडिंग लव टू मदर नेचर, I am love. I'm sending love to every single part of my body, head to toe. I am love. I'm sending love to all my achievements, all my qualifications, skills, talents. ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ। मैं अपने सभी गुणों को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। मेरी सभी उपलब्धियों को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। ईश्वर प्रेम है, मैं प्रेम हूँ। मैं सभी नदियों को, विशाल समुद्रों को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। गॉड इज लव, आई एम लव, आई एम सेंडिंग लव टू वाटर एलिमेंट, आई एम सेंडिंग लव टू all rivers, ocean. I am love. I am sending love to my own heart center. मैं प्रेम हूँ, मैं स्वयं के हृदय को प्रेम भेजती हूँ। आइए अब ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करते हैं। डीप डीप ग्रैटिट्यूड टू महाअवतार बाबा जी को। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद बाबा जी को ये कोर्स देने के लिए हमें। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद रॉजर जी का। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद संपूर्ण सृष्टि के गुरुमंडल के ऊर्जा का और दिव्य ऊर्जाओं का, जो हमारा मार्गदर्शन करती हैं, प्रोटेक्शन करती हैं, सुरक्षा करती हैं, हमारी हर एक क्षण हमारे शरीर की सुरक्षा करते हैं, मन और बुद्धि की सुरक्षा करते हैं। उसके लिए कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आप सभी का अपनी ऊर्जा साझी करने के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके घर परिवार के एक एक सदस्य के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके पड़ोसियों, आपके सहकर्मियों, आपके मित्रों के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके कार्यस्थल के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपकी स्वयं की जागरूकता के लिए, जो निरंतर आप इस क्षण में रहते हुए, इस क्षण में ध्यान करते हुए, इस क्षण में अपनी ईश्वर की छवि में जुड़े हुए हैं। इस क्षण में आप अपने ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में लीन हुए, एकीकृत हुए हैं। डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड टू all our family members, all our colleagues, neighbors, our friends. Deep, deep gratitude for our thinking. Deep, deep gratitude for the things we have in our life. Deep, deep gratitude for our home, food, clothes, shelter. Deep, deep gratitude to this present moment, connecting with me, connecting me deeply with God's image. This is my perfect alignment. In this moment, my breath is in alignment with God's image. Deep, deep gratitude for this feeling. Deep, deep gratitude for this experience. Deep, deep gratitude for our financial conditions. Deep, deep gratitude for your present moment. Deep, deep gratitude for all the protection, love, respect, and guidance you are receiving every day. Deep, deep gratitude for huge protection. Deep, deep gratitude to all Sant Mahatmas, yogis, helping us, guiding us. सभी पुण्य गुरुओं को, साधु संत महात्माओं को, सभी को कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद इस क्षण का, इस ईश्वर तत्व का, जो मुझे इस क्षण में रहना सिखाता है। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके परिवार के सदस्यों के साथ में, जो भी आप समय बिताते हैं उसके लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके घर के लिए, खाने के लिए, वस्त्रों के लिए, जूतों के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद हर एक उस सुख सुविधा के लिए जो आपके जीवन में है। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपके पैसों के लिए, आपके कार्यस्थल के लिए, पड़ोसियों के लिए। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद है कि अब आप जागरूक हो रहे हैं, स्वयं से भेंट कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। अब अपने दोनों हाथों की हथेलियों को मलते हुए आंखों के ऊपर रख लीजिए। 5 4 3 2 1 0 5 4 3 2 1 0। And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to my God. Thank you, thank you. Deep, deep gratitude to all of you. Thank you very much for sharing your energies. And as I mentioned, that everything is planned by Babaji, how he turned the things, how he switched the things we are doing the way we were doing in the past. But the main thing is how I am connecting with my own self. बहुत बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड है बाबा जी को। बाबा जी कैसे हमें सिखाते हैं कि तुमने जो भी अपना बनाया होगा प्लान, मैं उसके हिसाब से नहीं चलूंगा, मैं उन चीजों के हिसाब से चलूंगा जैसे तुम्हें चीजें करनी है। क्योंकि इसी प्रकार से तो कर करके हमने आज तक अपने आप को ईश्वर की छवि से दूर रखा, अपने ईश्वर तत्व के साथ में दूर रखा। तो अब हम 2 मिनट की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जो भी आपको आज की गाइडेंस आई है उसके लिए। और ऑलवेज ना ग्रेटिट्यूड शो किया करो कि आपके लिए पता नहीं कहाँ पे बैठा कौन प्रेयर करता है और आपकी प्रोटेक्शन होती है। तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड करना। हम एक जो कई चीजें सामने दिखती हैं वो हमको पता होती हैं, जो हमें नहीं दिखती उनके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं होता। तो वो भी आपने डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है। तो आज की तारीख है 1 अक्टूबर 2025। तो आज के दिन में आपको क्या गाइडेंस मिली वो भी लिखिए। अब आप में से अगर कुछ ने जिसने भी लिख लिया हो कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हो तो आप जरूर शेयर कीजिए। एंड थैंक यू, डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड तो आप सबको भी है, जो एफर्ट करते हो रोज आने के लिए और ध्यान में जुड़ने के लिए। क्योंकि कमिटमेंट बहुत जरूरी है। जब हम एक ही कार्य को बार बार करते हैं तभी हम उस कार्य में पूर्ण होते हैं। उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं उस चीज में, पर आपने उस चीज में कमिटमेंट कैसे की है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो अगर किसी का ध्यान है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो हम कल सुबह फिर से। जी गणेश जी।
जय माता नमा, जय माता जी माँ जी।
जय माता दी।
तो सेशन
जी।
तो बहुत अच्छा था। So when we sat for quiet period for 5 minutes, right? So all of my head, like including hair, feeling slight vibration, and for a couple of seconds, I felt like I'm receiving a cosmic energy. अच्छा था वो, बहुत देर तक पूरा सिर पूरा स्लाइटली वाइब्रेशन, स्लो गूजबम्स जैसा, बहुत अच्छा था, लाइक रिसीविंग लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी जैसा था. So even like I mean, when we are not doing meditation, also when I practice like God is love, made in the image of God, and all-knowing intelligence, right? Even in the meditation, when I say those words, I'm feeling like Lord's God is saying like you are, we both are not different. We are not separate entities. We both are one. Don't think about other thoughts. Just Lord, by when God is sitting for meditation, does he think like that? No. So we both are not different, separate entities. We are one. You can see everything in this creation. All the knowledge you are seeking is inside you. This is what I'm feeling when I say those words.
You know exactly that what when the example of plant I gave, I was shocked why I give this. I'm giving this means why Babaji is telling me use from a tiny seed how the tree grows, and now you are starting your journey with unified course. See yourself like where you are going later on, you know. And yes, it shows that you're on the right path and you're doing the practice on regular basis. The more you're doing the readings, the more you are connecting with the meditation, you you will see, means 101%, uh, the people around you will say you changed. It's not you changed, now you accepted the things and now you can like, okay, thank you, deep deep gratitude, now I have this awareness. Even though we are saying that in meditation we are doing meditation with awareness, no, we are not doing meditation with awareness, because for awareness decluttering is very important. Where the
Mhm.
junk is, decluttering that junk is more important. And once you declutter, the beautiful example you just shared, then Babaji said everything is not a separate thing, everything is one. That you are not the two different identities, it's the same, right?
Right.
It's like one person is holding different photo ID cards, but in all those IDs the person is the same, the qualities are the same, the person is not changed, but the things are changed. So I'm very happy you're on the right one. And even
Right,
I'm
right,
feeling
Maji.
so much pressure here, you know. It
Right,
means huge energies.
right, right, बहुत अच्छा था. कल का महागौरी का ध्यान भी बहुत अच्छा था माँ जी. So
हाँ
when you
वो
say
तो
like
मतलब
Maji, like keeping his her hand on your head and she's blessing you, I can feel that one. Maji is like keeping her hand on my head, like I can feel that one for a second or two. बहुत अच्छा था कल का भी सेशन.
थैंक यू डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड। मेरे को खुद को बहुत गूज बम्स आते हैं जब मेरे को भी एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना। दिस लाइक वी डू प्रैक्टिस, दिस इज मे बी अनयूजुअल फॉर यू गाइज ऑल्सो। आई मीन्स इन द प्रीवियस सेशंस ऑफ यूनिफाइड आई नेवर सेड यू नो bless yourself, but now and automatically my hand goes here like say thank you to the god within you. And I was like so this is also until and unless you feel that way, you won't experience it, and automatically it becomes your habit, and then you're like, yeah,
Right.
yes, this is the presence of Almighty. He is giving me love, and He is blessing me. He is the one putting His hand on my head. It's not me, because again, I'm thinking I'm separate. But by putting hands, He says, no, it's me. So it's amazing, amazing. And seriously, we are in the meditation, the experiences we share later on. Some people who won't meditate, what we are talking about, they won't understand from where we are coming, why we are talking in certain way.
Understand.
हम लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस है, इसलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं। और ये एक्सपीरियंस हर किसी के साथ में होता है, पर आप मानते कितना हो, ये बहुत जरूरी है। तो आपका भी डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड है, आप लोग भी तो अपनी एनर्जीज शेयर करते हो ना, आप भी अपने गुरु तत्व को लेकर आते हो कि गुरु आप भी बैठो इधर, आप भी हमको गाइड करो, प्रोटेक्ट करो। और आज तो माँ काली की तरफ से इतनी मतलब आ रहा था मुझे कि हाईली प्रोटेक्टेड हो तुम यूनिवर्स में, तुम्हारा पूरा ग्रुप हाईली प्रोटेक्टेड है। तो मैं आई वाज शोइंग डीप डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड। मेरे को, मैंने लिखने में भी यही लिखा हुआ है कि यूनिवर्स इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू, यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग। तो इससे बड़ी क्या बात होगी कि ईश्वर स्वयं कह रहा है, बता भी रहे हैं। अब मैं उस पे ना मानूं तो वो तो फिर मेरी गलती है। तो आपका भी बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। और माँ की ये दिन है तो माँ की एनर्जी है वही, वो तो हमारे साथ माँ हमेशा रहेंगी, वो फील होएगा, वो फील होएगा। थैंक यू, डीप
Right.
डीप थैंक यू। जी
Thank you, Mark.
राज,
Totally, totally धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद। कहाँ है आप? अपना वीडियो टर्न ऑन कीजिए। आर सावर जी, हाँ जी बोलिए।
Good morning, Mataji.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
This is Lakshmi from Sonal.
आप ना थोड़ी, आपकी आवाज ना क्रैक हो रही है थोड़ा, या तो अपना माइक देख लीजिए, वो आवाज वॉल्यूम सही है? हाँ जी अब,
Audible.
आपकी ना वॉइस मुझे लगता है या तो आप फोन हाथ में लेके घूम रहे हो, एक जगह फोन रख दो, इंटरनेट फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है आपका।
Now,
हाँ अब ठीक है, बोलिए।
um, Mataji, this higher self you are talking about in the meditation, aura and the higher self, this two. Could you please let me know that about? The first query is that. And the second one is that when we are, as the other brother Tanisha said, we are experiencing that vibrations and also pleasantness in the mind and heart that you are really, really we never experienced before this. And third one is that a small request from my side. In India, actually, this is the time for working. We are into office hours. If you can make it a bit early or in the evening, that would be blessing. Every day I'm trying to attend it, but some of the other disturbances coming because in the workplace we cannot completely concentrate on it. When we are doing live sessions, that is really great that I could feel that. When you are saying the first day unified, I feel that on my forehead some guru is sitting on my forehead. I could see that like photo previously photo negative will be there, no? So that kind of negative image of one like black dark color and white color image completely. I don't see that completely the picture and the image of the person first. Later on, I could recognize that that is when I'm reading this the story of Yogi that okay, Yogi Atmikuta. That when I was seeing that Yogi Yukteswaranand Maharaj, I mean Swamiji, I could see that I could match that what is the image that I have seen. But when I was reading this book, I feel that Mahathir Babaji and after that Lali Maharshi. Only these two I could concentrate because most of the I feel that these two have taken care of their disciples very much. But I didn't go through this Tesran Maharaj or Paramahansa Yogananda. I was completely attracted towards Babaji because, as I told you before, I feel that presence. I have a small pet dog called Shih Tzu breed, and when we were doing meditation, it will be looking around in the house. I feel that dogs has sensation to recognize the things that are there. Even I feel that. So when we are doing this meditation, something is there, some presence, divine presence is there that I feel first place. And second one is that yesterday one great miracle was happening. Who hates me in my workplace all the time? Who really abuses me the worst case? That fellow in hundreds, she fell down and got sick. Nobody took care of her. I don't know. Even I am not into that, but I was forced to take her and take care of her. I have taken her and I've given her so much of service, and I took her to the hospital. She could not take it actually. But I feel presence of mind, Babaji likes this. This is called unconditional love. So I feel that I'm not expecting anything in return from her that she will like me or that. No, no, I'm not thinking anything. My mind is completely. This is a great change that I could see in her presence. In my mind and along with her, I could see that a great change that I had. This is whether others feel or not, I feel that this is a miracle for me. In my
I'm
workplace, to the
yes.
core, she abused, insulted. I cried a lot for this incident. So many incidents. She wanted me out of my workplace. But I was there with her 4 to 5 hours. Doctors were talking to me about her. Her shoulder got into 3 pieces, shoulder bone. And I took her to the hospital. I joined her. I don't know that I am done. Physically, I am there, but I feel that Babaji only did this. I don't say that I am done this. Because as a person, I may not show that much love and affection. I feel that the divine power, what you are talking, is done this. Seriously, I feel that. Thank you so much. This kind of change you are bringing in me, Mataji. I feel so blessed. And I feel that some kind of positive energy in my mind. Everybody at my workplace are saying that, how can you do this? You are such an innocent fellow. She is even now she is abusing you. I said, no problem, no problem. I'm not doing it. God made me do this. He likes it, whether she likes it or not. And I came off.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing your journey. I really appreciate the way you took that initiative to take her to hospital. This is what, love is all about. Love is not a boundary. It is a means resolving the situations where you are thinking, and with your this kind act, it is not just you, the people around you, even that person who was trying to harm you in the past, that person them himself or herself will think about it, that the way they treated you, they will now realize. That's god realization. It is, we say we are doing just a course, but it is not just a course, it is a complete transformation where the practical. Why Babaji is saying it is a practical guidance? Because it actually practically, when we apply it in our life, it bring that change. And as you mentioned about that you're at office and our timing and your timing, dear, in the UK, when I take session, in when we start, the timing is 5:30 a.m. So I
Okay.
can't. We have the time difference of 4 hours and 30 minutes, and later on, like next month, it will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. So due to that reason, and I'm working also Monday to Friday. So for me, it is hard if I mistake the session according to Indian timing, then I can't sleep properly. That is another reason, but I'm happy at least on weekend you are able to attend live sessions. And for means anything, if your mind is there na, your soul will receive. You are in this group consciousness. You're not separate from our group. So when, even if in case due to some reasons you are not here, your energy is now connected with us. Because the moment you see the time, oh, they all are doing session, intentional, you put that intention in the universe, and you are with us. You're not like, never ever think for a second that, oh, I can't take that. And I think it is also a good sign. um Sometime, where we are working and we are doing things, that environment needs some cleansing. So by you attending this session at your work, you are doing that cleansing, not only for yourself, for your entire office. You're shifting the energy of your office actually, where, because when we say show gratitude, we show gratitude to our workplace, our colleagues, right? And it is very important that those things come from my heart. It is not just for saying I'm saying this word, but from my core of my heart, I'm not feeling it. I'm not acting accordingly. Like you, I had a similar incident yesterday. One of my colleague, he called me around half past, no, around 10 p.m. And I picked up his call because he never called me before. He called me just once or twice in a year, but that time I know he's might be looking for some help or something. And the moment I picked up the phone, first of all, he showed me so deep gratitude. And what he asked me, it really surprised me. He said, I just finished my shift, and Monica, I want to learn from you, the meditation and all those things. He himself is a very famous priest in UK. it,
Great.
it, it gave me goosebump when he told me I have to learn lots of things from you. And I was like,
Uh,
means hello, right? I'm thinking I have to learn from you. He said no. He said, you are the only person who pick up my calls. You are the one when to whom I left their job, I think 7, 8 years ago. You are the only one person I miss at work. Because he said you were so much into, means you're taking care of everyone, and you're means when you are there, sometimes people won't realize, but the moment you left that place, your emptiness speak louder than words. And it's really nice, what you're sharing. It is not only happening with you, with it is happening with all of us, like with before, like Ganesh ji, he mentioned that Babaji said he and Babaji is not different, they are same. So the same thing, because Babaji himself is saying this is the course of based on truth and practical guidance. So hats off to you, and lots of love and healing to you, and deep gratitude for joining this session even when you're working. I know, mean, in my previous job, I used to means attend so many sessions, and my job was like, oh, no one else was on my floor. It's just me by myself. So some of the days I was missing my sessions due to workload. So what happened was, like, thinking like you were thinking, Anna, that this is the time. Then I was like, maybe, why should I think that way? Maybe my workplace need more of the positivity due to those sessions. And later on, my old colleagues, everyone really appreciate me. They said, you bring very calm and peaceful energy to work. So you're bringing that balance. So head off to you. Your thinking is changing and now is in alignment with Babaji's practical guidance, to experience the truth into your day-to-day life. And when you send love, even I always say, the person who don't like me, send them love 10 times more, because that
oh,
person doesn't love themselves. That's why they don't love others. That person might be not aware of, that person might, maybe sometime, the people around us are going through some their own things, and they created this illusion in their head that we don't like, yeah, other people, they don't like them. but no one in personally means who have that much time, who is that much free. First of all, we all have our families, we are so much occupied with other activities, we don't have time for other things. But the illusion is illusion. So to break the illusion, to break that glass, 10 times send them that energy, because what you're sending it through universe.
Mm.
Universe is taking care of the things. Universe knows your attention.
Yeah.
Universe know you are putting that energy, you are keep sending that person just love, nothing else. And it will automatically change that person. In the past there was some people, they were like abusing me mentally and emotionally so much. They were means like making my life hell. And slowly I will they know that my faith in God is very I have a blind faith in God, right? So they know that she whatever she is doing, she put her code and she said that God will take care of the things. What the person was shouting on me and telling me will happen to me, trust me, within half an hour she got that karma. The karma hit her so badly. The next moment she was on my feet asking for forgiveness. And I said,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm not saying a single word to you. Why you are? She said, no, now means my soul is saying I treated you badly, so I have to, you are the one. Because now I got that karma, what she was trying to do some bad things to me. And it reversed. The God didn't accept that, how come she is doing those things to me? And then the moment that thing attacked on her, she realized. And I said, sorry, I if you are doing anything to me, it goes to my God. I always share everything with my God. With even with Mira, when they gave her poison, so God have gave her the power. Go for it. Nothing gonna happen. Prahlad, the fire didn't burn Prahlad. So we all are devotees, but you need to be in a perfect alignment. Not never ever even think for a second you're superior, you're egoistic. No, gratitude. Thank you, Babaji. Now I'm aware, Babaji. I'm made in your image. Thank you, Babaji. The moment you say these words, the vibrations give you goosebumps. Automatically, a shift happen within you, and you were like, "Oh, I am experiencing so much peace and calmness. Now I'm talking to you guys, and inside my heart is like, like
And
I'm
yes,
sitting on
ma'am.
Himalayas and it's a freezing cold here. I'm feeling that in my heart right now. So deep gratitude and thank you, Lakshmi ji, and bring the same nice vibes wherever you go. And it's good you're changing yourself. And the moment you start working on yourself, God um make the things more easier for you. Thank you, deep gratitude. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you जी। Shanta जी, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
आत्मवंदन मैम।
आत्मबंधन कैसे हो?
अच्छी हूँ मैम। मैम आज मैंने when I started telling I am love, God is love, I got a pen, blue color pen, empty pen in my hand, ma'am. Okay, this is the one thing. Then when I started doing this Suraksha Kavach, like sending all the uninvited influencers, I saw some of the non-people's pictures. Then some are is live and some are one two are not. Then I send them also with my by requesting the higher self. It is very beautiful method, ma'am, because so many things we are holding inside. In small incident. Now I understood from the childhood, every incident we are keeping inside without knowledge. That are all now one by one it is going out from my these things, ma'am. Then the third thing is, ma'am, yesterday I told you before that I have going some transformation. So so after a long day, I yesterday went to a temple, Kalikamba temple. On the way, suddenly I felt alone in the bus. I'm not enjoying outside seeing the scenery. Then I started telling these things. I am love. I am sending love to whatever I see through the windows, plants, animals, and all the these things, transports, and the person who is sitting beside me and inside the bus. Everything I started till I am reaching to the temple, and there also I started telling these things only. I'm sending love to I am in panic actually that time. How can I reach back home? But my mood is suddenly changing. My level of consciousness increased, ma'am. After all this, I was so happy. While I come, I put I had prasadam there, and one I thought of one that holige. No, I want to take one more thing, one more holige sweet. Suddenly, the person priest, he gave one holige. Take you to home, he said. Then I said, "Oh, Kalika Mata has given me the lesson also, because I see people, but there is not oneness inside me. But no hatred. But oneness is not there, because, ma'am, I am being Brahmin. We have lot of these things, strict rituals like that. We are not going others' house. We are not drinking water. So, because it is opening now. It was inside me. I forgot that. So I am accepting each and every people through this lesson, ma'am. Yesterday was very big lesson for me. The oneness lesson, ma'am. I was while coming, enjoying whole scenery, enjoying, very, very happy. And today morning, actually, another thing is, ma'am, today is Siddhidatri Devika Henna. One Kannada ma'am, master, told me to tell about the story of Siddhidatri for the night session. This is the first time I'm sharing my things after 1 year. Till 1 year, I was quiet in the meditation. Most of the times, night meditation, I am in trance only. I am not understanding the Swadhyaya, and also meditation is what is happening. I am not understanding. 1 year, I was like that. Then I became aware, and I started sharing the experiences. Okay, today is the day, ma'am, that it is the it is mother only. She has to tell through me, ma'am. I surrender her. I read what I have to tell, but I don't know. I am surrendering herself, because some little thing is that fear. Still, that also I surrendered. I know it is you have given me the choice. So many people are there. So you have given me the choice. That time when I accepted, ma'am, I am not in the situation to accept, because I was emotionally burst out that time. But Ma had told me to tell. So I knew that within this Navaratri, I will be overcome all this. So बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि I am surrendered actually. Little excitement is also there first time, no? Still I am always telling, no, I have trust in me, I have trust in you, and I am totally surrendered like that. And today morning I have a long dream. In that, while I waking, I am telling Niranjana, Niranjana, Niranjana. Then I am thinking, what is this? The only word that you got that is the answer for the dream. That is Niranjana. Then I searched for the Google, and it is telling purity and like light, like Parishuddha. It is telling that words, ma'am. Okay, God, that means God is always holding me actually. I saw a snake. I saw in that snake is something in my back. It is coming and holding his head like this. at the end, I'm telling if anybody comes in front of me, it will protect me. That is the end of the dream, and I woke up like Niranjana, Niranjana, Niranjana. Actually, this ma'am, Babaji's book make me so much changes, bringing me so much changes, understanding inside me, and removing my obstacles through this book. As you said, you told how. I am thinking why it not given me before, but this is I have ready to change. I think that's why God has Babaji has joined me this group. Thank you very much. Lots of gratitude to you, ma'am, Babaji, and this book, and the author of this book, and everyone in this group also. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Prashanta, Jay, for sharing your experience. When you were saying through your words, the way you are talking, we can feel your inner joy. You are overwhelmed also. So I can
Yes,
feel, I can sense your energy. And this is the pure energy, where you are not faking something. You are not showing, saying that which is not real. This is your own experience of having an encounter with your own true self. Actually, that what I see and I feel, because since from our childhood we never had an encounter with our own self. Now we see our faces in the mirror, but now we are seeing our soul. And oh, I'm so full of love. I'm so full of means, purity, but I am the one who is sometimes holding myself back when I'm thinking no one loves me. That is actually an illusion I created. Now you're coming out of that web, so that's very good sign. And the other things you mentioned about traveling and all those things, I remember when we came to UK, I have to go leave my home around 3:30 in the morning to go for work sometime. So because first of all, this is an unknown country for me. I have no idea, and in the morning I was like, how come it's so dark outside and my kids are sleeping? So many things, barriers comes there. But trust me, like God is walking with me. I for even for a second I never get scared. And yesterday the same thing happened. I went for Garba, and that place was at a very narrow ending, Anna. I was just following the path, and I was on the call with my colleague. He was talking to me, and I was just walking towards that place, and there are few kids, means very naughty one. They were walking, but the moment they saw me, I don't know what hits them. They before they were shouting, they become very quiet. They moved to one side. They left the place for me to walk as well. They completely turned their. I'm just telling you, like even in that particular time, you are in alignment with God, so He is protecting you. Doesn't matter where you are. There are 1%, 10%, 100 people. You are protected. And when this is the place I've been there first time. So when we finished, the singer was singing Shiv ji's bhajan. The bhajan was so deep, so intense that I was completely lost, and I have no idea people are noticing me. Seriously, what happened was when I came back, few of the people randomly on my street, they catch me up. They said, we saw you. You are devotee of Lord Shiva. I said, I am devotee of everyone. I said, but how come you know these things? They said we were there and we were just noticing you. Why I'm sharing this way, like before Lakshmi share, sometimes you won't notice your own self, but other do. Now you're noticing yourselves, then you were like, oh, wherever, even in temple, God is there, man. In your bus, God is there. Um, Now one thing will happen with you guys wherever you go. If you're waiting for bus or train, you won't be angry and frustrated. You will be very calmly waiting for it. Okay, if it will come, I don't mind. But you will see the people around you were like pissed off, angry, frustrated. Why the bus is late? I'm getting late to work. Angry. But now your energy is changed because you know that everything happens for a reason. And on the top, you are in the alignment with God's image. And in the tough situation is the situation where God checks you, how much patience you have, how much gratitude you show, how much you're accepting yourself and others. uh, are you still interfering in people's life? Are you still poking others? Are you still thinking about some bad things about others? What kind of things are coming? But the moment you start sending love, the moment you said, God, I trust you, God, I trust myself, things change completely. And see how means it is making you emotionally also, it is healing you from the core. As you mentioned that you were following so many rituals, so many things when we do, it distracts our, we lose our peace of mind. I'm not saying we don't have to do, but we need to go step by step. If you have so many things, you can't do it one go. You need to sort out what is my top priority. And I personally believe my first priority is God. The rest of the things He will take care of. So I don't need to worry about it. So thank you, Prashanta, for sharing this. And it also motivates us that wherever you are, have a complete faith and surrender. Surrender means whatever is happening, I'm accepting it. I'm not going against it. I'm not creating barrier for myself and for others. It's happened. Okay, okay. Even I don't like to talk about it again, because you know what would happen is like one is sometimes small achievements bring that ego inside us that I'm something. And sometimes if something happen and you're behaving normally, it means you are not in that bubble of ego. You are in like, yeah, if it happen is okay, because then you are not in that energy where something unexpectedly happen and then you react. No, for you now, not only you, everyone who is doing unified goals, your energy is like you are not too much excited for about things. You're taking everything as a normal thing. We accept why it is happening. When we start accepting, if it is not fulfilled, we become frustrated. But the moment you are in alignment with unified goals, you like Babaji is giving me practical guidance. He is saying God is love and light. I am love and light. So I have to focus more on love and light. I have to focus more on light. And Babaji is saying all knowing intelligence. He is giving me all this knowledge. Now I have this knowledge. I have to show gratitude. I don't have to go against it to show someone I'm something. I don't have to. Nah, God will do His work. I have to do mine.
Yes.
So deep gratitude for sharing this. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Prashanta.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Even when you place your hands on your heart center, you immediately feel that shift changing within you, because now your heart center is open. You know what pure divine unconditional love is. It is the love which don't require any kind of condition, where you are not expecting anything from others, but you are loving yourself unconditionally. So thank you so much for joining.
Thank
Yes,
you, ma'am.
Lakshmi. Thank you,
Thank you
Prashanta.
so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Lakshmi ji. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Samiksha ji. Thank you, Meena ji, for your message. Atmavandan, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Babaji and Monica ji, for helping us to release how much we realize realize how much we are created as an image of God, heartfelt gratitude. Yeah, that's true. When you know I'm in a Thank you, Amarjeet ji, for your message. Thank you so much. Thank you to you also. Because when I am keep saying I'm made in the image of God, I'm made in the image of God. God is love and light. I am love and light. If you still feel like you are not connecting, just put your hands on your heart center and just when you say these things, you immediately feel in your body. We have a lot of vibration and energies already inside our body. That's why we won't feel sometimes we don't have those kind of senses, but the moment you connect with your own inner peace and love, you will see like, oh, thank you, this is what I want in my entire life, this peace I was looking, this harmony I was looking, but now it is within me. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, Babaji. Thank you. Deep deep gratitude to all of you. Enjoy Navratris, and we'll meet tomorrow morning again. Thank you, thank you, thank you.